So you're a UAE resident planning that long overdue Turkey trip? Imagine wandering Istanbul's Grand Bazaar, floating over Cappadocia in a hot air balloon, or chilling on Antalya's beaches. But before you pack your shawarma for your flight, yes, we know you were thinking about it, there's just one thing you'll need: a Turkey visa. The good news? You can get it super fast, and I'll show you two ways. If you want a Turkey eVisa, here are the requirements: a valid passport and a US-UK Schengen visa. Turkey eVisa on Atlys. There are two easy ways to get your Turkey visa on Atlys. Option 1. You already have the US-UK Schengen visa. 1. Open the Atlys app and select Turkey. 2. Go to the top right corner and choose your nationality. 3. Enter basic passport details plus your US-UK Schengen visa number. 4. Submit your application. Option 2. You don't have any of these visas. Atlys helps you apply for your UK visa first, and the best part, your Turkey visa comes absolutely free along with it. Tracking made easy. Once applied, you can track your Turkey visa directly in the Atlys app. Apply yourself through the government process. Now, if you're more of the DIY type, like the friend who insists on making their own carrot instead of buying from the cafeteria downstairs, here's how the government process works. Here's what you'll need for your Turkey visa: your passport, valid for at least 6 months, plus 2 empty pages, and any photocopies of old passports or visas, your UAE residence visa, and a valid Emirates ID, both valid for at least 6 months, 1 recent photo, passport style with a white background, a flight booking, round trip, and a hotel reservation. Just bookings. Don't pay until the visa's done. Your last 3 months bank statement, stamped by the bank, no screenshots and no PDFs. Proof of where you live in the UAE, a tenancy contract, a title deed, or a letter if you're sharing. If you're visiting family or friends, you'll need an invitation letter plus their Turkish ID or residence permit. Also, a few extras depending on your situation: an NOC plus salary certificate if you're employed, a trade license if self-employed, parents' consent if under 18, sponsors' details if you're a dependent or a domestic worker. The official government steps to apply are as follows. 1. Fill out and sign the Turkish visa application form. I've put this in the link in the description. 2. Gather all of the required documents as listed previously. 3. Schedule and attend your appointment at the authorized visa application center. 4. Arrive early, usually about 15 minutes early, for a security check, document review, payment, and biometrics. 5. Wait for processing. It usually takes a few working days. 6. Collect your passport with the visa sticker once approved. Essential immigration tips for traveling to Turkey: print your e-visa, carry a hard copy, and keep a digital backup on your phone or email. Check passport validity. It must be valid for at least 6 months after your entry date. Ensure at least 2 blank pages for entry and exit stamps. Know your visa terms. Most tourist e-visas allow 30 to 90 days stay. Don't overstay. Fines or bans may apply. Keep accommodation details. Have your hotel's accommodation or your host's address ready for inspection. Have a return or onward ticket. Proof of departure from Turkey might be required at the time of entry. Proof of funds. Be ready to show that you can support yourself during your stay if asked. Be polite and prepared. Dress modestly, be respectful, and have all the needed documents handy. So there you go. If you want smooth sailing, Atlys is honestly the best hack. If you get your UK visa with them, your Turkey visa is sorted without stress. If you're okay with lots of paperwork and standing in line, the government route is always there too. Either way, Turkey is 100% worth it. Think simit and Turkish tea by the Bosphorus, hot air balloons over surreal landscapes, and Insta-worthy streets around every corner. From Dubai to Istanbul, your adventure is calling. Don't keep it waiting.